I'm Aruna, better half of Raghavan.
I'm Raghavan, not necessarily the better. Both from Bombay. I was born and brought up in Villaparla. So at 22, we decided कि भाई 10 साल में हमको Mumbai छोड़ना है and we should settle down in some village and work in the village. So we spent 10 years trying to understand education, what it implies. We worked in different schools, trying to get different experiences of different boards, like IB तक सब कुछ कर लिया. The idea was ये नहीं लोगों को लगना चाहिए कि भाई मुंबई में फेल हो गया तो भाग गया इसलिए गांव भाग गया ऐसा ना हो इसलिए फिर whatever qualified as a CA she finished her MPhil and then law किया ये बहुत कुछ किया so we had a good time and we settled down quite well. We were earning quite well. Everything was fine. Then we said, "Chalo." We told ourselves 10 years, and 10 years is a fix. So in 1992, we just left.
Raghavan was already involved at that time with so many other social projects in many villages. I love space, and Mumbai certainly does not allow you space. It gives you many things in life, but not space. And children need space. So moving to a village was a very simple solution. I felt there should be something more to life than just saying, I don't have money, so I can't study. Right? That should not be the constraint to learning.
The one constraint that we have no control over and it's not stretchable is time. The 10 years were also a process of understanding and things like that. So it was fine. It gelled very well. Practice was good and made enough connections. That was also part of the deal that we know people who will matter to us after we move from there. So it was really good because I was involved with CIPLA and very involved with CIPLA. Finally, I was an independent director for more than 10, 12 years there. So those innings were good. I mean, there's nothing to. And we said, Upar wala hai, he will take care. Because if we keep stretching, means it's like somebody told me, यार थोड़ा मेरे बच्चे सेटल हो गए तो मैं चलता हूँ मैं बोला ये तो होना ही नहीं है फिर बच्चे सेटल होंगे तो बच्चे के बच्चे आ जाएंगे तुमने निकलना है तो आज निकलना है एंड like God will take care. Actually, 3 years before she was born, we had already decided that we'll quit. So she had no say in the matter, poor thing. She was just about 6 when we moved here, and it was really, really village. I mean, we wanted it that way that we want to move to a place where okay, facilities are not there.
Yeah, we homeschooled
decided,
her, you see.
Yeah.
We homeschooled her. She's now 33 years old. She's in Canada.
I mean, it's obvious that when you come to a village, you can never really be part of a village for quite some time. For you to settle down, you're an outsider, you're an outsider, you're an outsider. Because A, they were afraid possibly that we were looking at some political mileage.
Which we weren't.
Which we weren't. I mean, there was no intention of getting into any politics.
Weren't,
whatsoever,
aren't, will not.
स्कूल चलाना फ्री में है नहीं गवर्नमेंट का काम है ये लॉजिक था उनका तो ये बंदा क्यों ऐसा करता है तो देयर वाज अ बिट ऑफ well suspicious.
We have never wanted, we are never in want, but Raghavan and I are not the kind who will, just for the sake of it, keep asking for money and build a huge whatever corpus or anything of that kind.
हमने हमेशा पहला कदम रखा.
Yeah, we have always ensured that we keep to very simple things. But the school is as good as any in the city. Classrooms are all like it has its own TV and it's got connected to the computer. We have internet connections. Right now, through COVID, we have been having online classes. We have language laboratory. We have separate laboratory for English and separate for Tamil. We have a math laboratory. We have with computers, 20 computers. We have a science laboratory.
We have a 2,000 square feet library, which is filled with 20,000 books.
We have class library. We have class laboratories. So, something that you don't run to the laboratory or you say, oh, I'll do that when I get to the laboratory. I don't want to hear that. Right now, you talk about PRISM. I want you to be having a PRISM in the hand right now. One of the greatest challenges we had when we came here was that children by the time they were 27 years ago, okay, when they were 7 years old, would leave school to go to work in the fields. Okay. Now, our challenge was, but if they are not learning well by the time they're 7, the parents are going to take them out. We find that whatever it is, parents are ready to spend any amount for the boy, but not for the girl. This is the ground reality.
So funding is not a big deal. We never really worried about it. There were a lot of friends helping us. We
And-
were also having good opportunities because, well, I kind of CA has a little option of being offline. And then I was into software, so that was another option to be offline. So it helped.
One is my sister has a institute in Mumbai called Primrose Institute, where almost all of her teachers are on voluntary work. Okay, and a part of the money comes directly to our trust from the parents. That is a major money thing. There's another institute called Westman Association. That's also a preschool, where again the money from there comes to us every year.
Money comes with the heart if it's coming from a person. But we've never had to ask. They just gave. People just gave. They felt we needed it and they gave, and it was required.
We have grown together 30 years plus.
92.
92 we started.
Really?
Yeah. So it's a lot of fun. It's like having a full-time partner, literally, in whatever you're doing. So it's nice.
If you're doing in different directions, then there's a need to reconcile. When you're doing something together, there is no reconciliation required. And there's only one book, and both of us are on the same page. So where is the RECO? There's no RECO. And that is what is the trick. You're just together. And the more together you are, the more fun it is. No problem. And you get better and better results. So it's really, really good. I mean, it's not like we have the same thought process as we had 25 years ago. There are changes, but they are all together. So then being together is the trick. And this we decided long ago. And the trick was to give ourselves 10 years to find out. When we were 22, we just didn't launch out and say, chalo jate hain. Aisa nahi hua. We said 10 years, take your call. Jo karna hai, kar lo. Whatever you want to feel like doing for yourself or, achieve or whatever it is, this is the time. That's what we planned. Baad mein we have to be together and run this, go to
But
the
it was
village.
fun. Even those 10 years were fun.
We enjoyed
We
those
learned
10 years.
we learned a lot, and even the 10 years was a lot of planning about what we were going to do next.